Hello and hi everyone. Finally, we are going to discuss about the statistics in very deep sense. So, before we go further, first of all, I will have to say something that uh, I designed this course in a way that it is equally beneficial for the students of intermediate in commerce or ICOM or bachelor in commerce, BCom and masters in commerce, and it is equally beneficial for the students of MBA, those who use business statistics in their subjects or quantitative techniques in business. It is equally beneficial for the students who take the statistics as a major subject in the sciences of intermediate and bachelor and masters. So it is equally beneficial for the students of A level, those who attempt their paper into different formats, for example MCQs and numerical questions. For so simple is that it is equally beneficial for the each level. So first of all, the chapter number 1, that is the statistics introduction or introduction to statistics. In this chapter, I will discuss the most used terms or the terms we will use widely in this subject while discussion in the next chapters, or simply the most used suitable terms or usable terms in statistics will be discussed in the first chapter, and also the introduction of this subject will be discussed in this chapter. So stay touch with this. So first of all, I will take a start from the word statistics itself. So statistics is a science of getting data, in which we deal with data into 4 different phases. Number 1, collection of data. Number 2, organization of the data. Number 3, analysis or interpretation of the data. And number 4, presentation of the data. So it is the first part of the definition that statistics is a subject that simply deals with data. For example, if you take any survey or research in your field, and first of all you will have a data related to your research. So in the first step you will collect that data. After that you will organize that raw data into most suitable form, and after that you will have to analyze or interpret your collected data, and you simply statistically analyze your data, and on the fourth step you simply present your data into your final most suitable audience. So it is the first definition of the word statistics. Statistics subject has its roots deep in the past. In the ancient times, kings use the data related to their soldiers, related to their ammunition, related to their population in different senses to be aware with their strength. And in those ancient days, different words are used instead of statistics. For example, status, statista or statistica in 2-3 different languages, for example German, Latin or Spanish language. So it has very deep roots in the past. So we can say that in the past people or king or statesman use this subject in the sense of getting the data. So besides this, the word statistics was also used in the drama of Shakespeare in Hamlet. And besides this, at the start it was the part of the basic mathematics, but with the growing time or growing use of this typical subject or part of the mathematics, it was separated from the mathematics and identified as an individual subject. So we can say that it is a branch of applied mathematics. It is a science of getting average and probabilities, but lot of other calculations normally perform within the subject. So in most classes this question is simply asked that what is the meaning of statistics. So you have very wide range of answer, that it is simply science of data in which you collect the data, organize the data, analyze or interpret the data, and finally present the data. And after that it is the branch of applied mathematics, and it is a science of average and probabilities. So after the discussion of statistics, now we come to the second important question related to the first chapter, and that is the branches of statistics. So there are two branches of statistics. Number one is called descriptive statistics and number two is called inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics simply means the presentation of the data into tables, graphs and charts. So in descriptive statistics we simply present the data into tables, graphs and charts. It provides the shortest summaries of the data regarding sample or population. The next chapter, third chapter, that will be measures of central tendency and measures of location and measures of spread or dispersion, that will be fourth chapter for us. So these two chapters are related to the descriptive statistics because it provides the shortest summaries of the data. So descriptive statistics is a part of statistics which provides us the shortest summaries of the large data regarding sample or population, whereas the second part is called inferential statistics. It is a second branch of statistics in which we construct some inference about population with the help of sample data. We can say that it is a science of making inference about population. In further slides, those are coming next, where we will discuss about the sample and population. But population is a very large thing that is typically not possible to be calculated statistically. So sample is simply a part of population, or you can say that population is a whole cake and the sample is a slice of that cake. So on the basis of that slice you will predict or say something about the whole cake, either it is good or not. So in inferential statistics, it is a second branch of statistics in which we construct some inference about population with the help of sample data.